Have you ever wondered how close we are to creating machines that can think and understand like us? Our journey begins in the mid-20th century, at the inception of artificial intelligence. A brilliant mind named Alan Turing sparked the first flame, proposing a simple yet profound question: can machines think? This led to the creation of the famous Turing test, setting the stage for the exploration of machine intelligence. As the decades rolled on, we witnessed the birth of machine learning, a concept that empowered computers to learn from experience, just like us humans. This era saw the rise of chess-playing computers, a symbol of machines beginning to match human intelligence in specific tasks. The evolution didn't stop there. Technology advanced, and we entered the era of voice recognition, where machines began to understand and respond to human language. So, from the dawn of AI, we have been inching closer to creating machines that can mimic human intelligence. How much of a role does AI play in our lives today, you ask? It's practically everywhere. Think about the last time you asked Siri for the weather, or Alexa to play your favorite song. That's artificial intelligence at work. It's even in our cars, with self-driving technology becoming more prevalent by the day. But what powers these intelligent machines? It's a combination of fascinating concepts like neural networks and deep learning. Neural networks mimic the human brain's structure, while deep learning enables machines to learn and improve from experience. And the applications are endless. In healthcare, AI aids in early disease detection and personalized treatment. In finance, it's used for fraud detection and algorithmic trading. And in transportation, it's the driving force behind autonomous vehicles. These are just a few examples of how AI is revolutionizing our world. Indeed, AI has transformed the way we live and work, but the journey doesn't end here. But what does the future hold for AI? Are we on the brink of a new era? As we ponder these questions, we find ourselves gazing into a future where machines might not only think but also understand. Imagine a world where AI can comprehend human emotions, where it can adapt and learn from experiences just like us. But this future isn't without its challenges. As machines become more intelligent, we must grapple with ethical considerations. How do we ensure that AI respects human rights? How do we prevent misuse? These are complex questions that require thoughtful answers. The potential of AI extends beyond these challenges, promising to revolutionize various aspects of society. Picture AI-powered classrooms that offer personalized learning experiences, or AI technologies that help us make sustainable choices, thus combating climate change. As we continue to unravel the marvels of AI, one thing is clear: the future of artificial intelligence holds infinite horizons.